Hello students, today's topic is modal auxiliary must and ought to. Subject teacher Kamal Bansinajan. Modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought, used to, need, dare. Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries express attitudes like permission, possibility, necessity, ability, etc. Modal auxiliaries come before the subject in questions. Modal auxiliaries can combine with n apostrophe t in the negative. Modal auxiliaries are termed defective verbs as they have no s in the third person singular. Modal auxiliaries are termed as defective verbs as they have no infinitive and ing form. Modal auxiliary must, ought to. Today, let's concentrate on must. Must is used to express obligation, give orders and give advice. Must can only be used for present and future references. Must for obligation. The past form is have to, that is had to. Must for prohibition. The past form is couldn't. Must for strong advice. The past form is should have. Must for making deduction. The past form is must have. Note these points. Go ahead. Must expresses necessity or obligation. For example, all candidates must show valid ID. I must finish this work today. We must follow the rules of school. We must obey the laws. Model sentences are here when must expresses fixed determination. Let's concentrate on the sentences. You must be 80 now. You must reply the letter. I must bring back my baby brother, said Alonishka. Must is used to give orders firmly and positively. For example, you must go to sleep now. You must study hard. Must expresses fixed determination. Must is used to give advice or make recommendations emphatically or to give strong advice. You must see Nims Iceland. It's brilliant. You must watch Lagan movie. It's very nice. Must is used to speculate about the truth of something. Model sentences are here. You must be mad. You must be joking. Mr. Patil is here. It must be Monday. There must be some mistake. Must. We can use must with a negative. Model sentences are here. You must not cross when the light is red. You must not use rude words to your servants. Must, the contracted negative form is mustn't. You mustn't worry so much. Must, interrogative sentences. We can be used must in interrogative, but many speakers prefer have to instead. Must, interrogative. Must I invite Mr. Krishna? Must you go so soon? Or do I have to invite Mr. Krishna? Do you have to go so soon? Try to understand it well. We can be used must in interrogative, but many speakers prefer have to instead. Both examples are here. Must. It's necessary to change must to have to when changing sentences from direct to reported speech, indirect speech. Let's see the example. I must bring back my baby brother, said Alonishka. Alonishka said that she had to bring back her baby brother. Note the changes here. Now, let's concentrate ought to. Ought to is similar to should, but it is little stronger than should. Ought to is not as strong as must. Ought to expresses moral obligation or desirability. Model sentences are here. We ought to respect our elders. We ought to love our neighbors. We ought to help the poor during this corona pandemic. Moral obligation that ought to expresses. Ought to may also express strong probability. Let's see examples. Saina Nehwal ought to win. Kavita Raut ought to win gold medal. Tanaji film ought to be a great success. Ought to interrogative sentences. When ought I to go? Where ought we to throw the garbage? Ought Kedar to go? Ought we to make a start? Ought to plus have plus past participle of main verb. This type of sentences, let's see. Ought to plus have plus past participle of main verb is used to express regret that something was not done or not doing something or to reapproach someone for doing. And the examples are here. They ought to have offered to him. You ought to have told us what to expect. I ought to have spoken up earlier. I'm sorry. Ought to. Negative sentences are here. Model sentences for you. Kedar ought not to go. Kedar ought not to even think so. We ought not to tell a lie. We ought not to throw garbage anywhere. We ought not to have ordered so much food. We ought not to wait. all these negative sentences. Children, today we have seen the modal auxiliaries and specially must and ought to. The features of these modal auxiliaries, model sentences. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Read all the model sentences very well. Thank you. Goodbye.